So this is my first pair of ASICs in a good minute. But I've definitely been watching them. And I got them for a good price. So for the 7 people that actually clicked on this video, man, how do y'all feel about ASICs? What's on your radar for the rest of this year? Because ASIC definitely has some good material and dope colorways. I copped these from the Rule of Next. I guess I can show you what I paid. Make sure none of my information is shown. So you can see is it coming in focus. $48 for these joints. I think it's like $120 shoe or $110 shoe, something like that. For $40 or $48 in tax and shipping and all that. Yeah, definitely had to cop. This is my first time seeing this color ASICS box. I'm used to like a blue ASICS box. Oh, these are actually $130. So this is the ASICS GEL LYTE III OG. Personally, my favorite ASICS model is the GEL LYTE III. I like the split tongue. I mean, I'll get into all that. Jade Obsidian Gray is the official colorway. Ooh. Ooh. Check it out. Yeah. These are definitely fire, 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 fire. Comfortable shoe, and you know they're dope, man. The split tongue is just crazy. Let me go take the other one out so you can see it in the camera while I'm doing a review. I know y'all like the visuals. Y'all want to just hear me talking. Y'all want to see something. Well, you know, that's focusing. But yeah, this is the suede. You got the perforated toe box, and then you got that rugged suede along the toe cap in that jade green. You also have suede on the upper in like a tan or khaki, more perforated suede. Is it suede or leather? That is leather. So you got perforated leather with the ASICS logo in white, and then the black ASICS logo, gel light on the heel, and that jade colorway with the gel in the back. Ah, man. These are fire. And you got tumble leather up here on the tongue, whatever it is, the split tongue. That's my favorite part of the shoe, man. I don't know what it is, but when I first seen the gel light and I seen that split tongue, I think I was like a freshman in college then, and I had to get a pair. That was my first pair, and you know, I bought a few over the years. You know what I'm saying? You got the jade green insole with the ASICS stamped on that joint. You got the hang tag, care instructions and all that. But you know, at this point, you should know how to take care of your shoes. They don't come with any extra laces, which is cool. This is, I really like these. This is like a dope spring, probably spring, fall colorway. You know, if you care about that stuff, you know, I'm gonna rock these whenever. Yeah, definitely with some cargos, like some light denim. Throw these on, you know. You can do a lot with these. Oh, they have the jade tips on the laces as well. I did not see that at first. Was that focusing? Yeah, but man, if you're watching this, definitely let me know how you feel about ASICS. There is a pair of Sauconys that I want as well, that I'm hopefully I can remain patient and get them on sale, because I definitely feel like they're going to drop in price. But that particular shoe is crazy. The colorway, the materials, everything is crazy, so I definitely want those. But yeah, I'm definitely glad I pulled the trigger on these. Shout out to Rule of Next for the code, the early Black Friday sale. Especially getting a pair on sale in my size 12 is definitely hard. So everybody out there that was like 11.5, 12, 13, y'all feel my pain for sure. Fire shoe, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. I can't wait to definitely throw these on at some point. Yeah, crazy. Catch y'all the next one.